Hitting the plate while eating. Imagine taking a spoon of rice but hitting the ceramic every time. It's like watching Game of Thrones.
Damn.
Bro, just like
Yeah.
every single mouthful.
I sometimes, in the company of other people, I sometimes feel a type of way. And when rice, for example, it gets to the last little bit, so you have to like, I'm like,
Leave. Yeah, be hungry.
Yeah.
Waste it.
It's jarring for me that I have to let other people live through that whilst I'm doing it. So I can understand that.
Yeah.
It's just like courteous. Like, why you keep banging the plates?
Yeah, bro. 100%.
Were you not raised right?
Yeah, bro. That's like I get meticulous with it, like knife and fork. Like I will like angle the knife like this.
Yeah,
and
so it's so
get
it's
it
not
on
like
the fork.
scraping shit.
Like 4 grains on there. Just sorry, guys.
Jarring.
Yeah, it's embarrassing,
Jarring.
bro.
The worst is that knife scrape.